Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about 2025 Ford GT Showroom Walk Around. The 2025 Ford GT stands as a masterpiece of engineering and design, a true icon of performance and luxury. Crafted with precision, every curve and contour of the car reflects its aerodynamic excellence, designed to slice through the air with minimal resistance. The heart of this machine beats with a high-performance engine, delivering exhilarating speed and unmatched power. The Ford GT represents the pinnacle of automotive innovation, combining cutting-edge technology with a heritage of racing excellence. From its aggressive stance to its finely tuned components, this car embodies the spirit of speed and sophistication. The luxurious showroom in which it stands enhances its aura, a space meticulously designed to reflect the grandeur of this automotive marvel. Every surface gleams under the soft, ambient lighting, creating an atmosphere of exclusivity and prestige. The polished floors mirror the sleek body of the GT, amplifying its visual impact. The carbon fiber bodywork showcases an intricate blend of lightweight durability and high-strength engineering. Its sculpted aerodynamics are not just for show but serve a crucial role in optimizing performance. Air intakes and vents are strategically placed, ensuring maximum cooling and efficiency. The rear wing, dynamically adjustable, provides the necessary downforce at high speeds, maintaining stability and control. The Ford GT's doors, opening in a signature dihedral fashion, add an element of drama and exclusivity, inviting the driver into a cockpit that redefines luxury and performance. The interior is a harmonious fusion of high-end materials and race-inspired design. Carbon fiber, alcantara, and premium leather create an ambiance of refined sportiness, wrapping around the driver and passenger in a cocoon of advanced ergonomics. The seats, sculpted for both comfort and support, offer an immersive driving experience. Every detail within the cabin has been meticulously designed to enhance focus and control. A state-of-the-art digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, adapting to different driving modes. The infotainment system integrates seamlessly with the driver's needs, offering intuitive controls and connectivity. The flat-bottom steering wheel, inspired by racing heritage, places essential functions at the driver's fingertips, ensuring a commanding grip on the road. The paddle shifters, precisely calibrated, allow for seamless gear transitions, enhancing the thrill of driving. The center console, minimalist yet functional, hosts controls designed for maximum efficiency and ease of access. Underneath its stunning exterior lies a powerhouse of technology. The twin-turbocharged V6 engine, meticulously engineered for performance, delivers breathtaking acceleration and a top speed that pushes the limits of what is possible. Advanced aerodynamics work in unison with an adaptive suspension system, ensuring razor-sharp handling and stability. The lightweight chassis, built with precision, enhances agility while maintaining structural integrity. The braking system, featuring carbon ceramic rotors, provides unparalleled stopping power, ensuring complete control even at high speeds. The Ford GT is not just about raw power, it is a testament to intelligent engineering. The active aerodynamics system continuously adjusts to optimize performance, adapting to driving conditions in real time. The exhaust system, tuned for both efficiency and sound, produces a symphony of mechanical perfection, an exhilarating note that resonates with automotive enthusiasts. The tires, specially developed for the GT, provide exceptional grip and durability, enhancing both performance and safety. The exterior lighting, incorporating advanced LED technology, ensures visibility and a striking presence on the road. The aggressive front fascia, with its signature headlights, establishes a commanding look, while the rear design, featuring an iconic light signature, leaves a lasting impression. Beyond its technical prowess, the Ford GT represents a legacy of motorsport excellence. Inspired by the legendary victories at Le Mans, this car is a modern homage to a rich history of racing dominance. Every aspect of its design reflects a commitment to pushing boundaries, redefining what is possible in an automotive masterpiece. The name, 2025 Ford GT, displayed prominently on the showroom wall serves as a bold reminder of this legacy, a symbol of innovation and achievement. The showroom itself is a testament to luxury, designed to complement the grandeur of the GT. Soft lighting accentuates the car's features, casting subtle reflections that enhance its dynamic lines. The ambiance exudes exclusivity, inviting enthusiasts and collectors to admire the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship. The Ford GT is more than just a car, it is an experience, a statement of passion and performance. Every drive is an adrenaline-fueled journey, where technology and emotion converge to create something extraordinary. The steering wheel responds with precision, translating every input into an instant reaction. The acceleration is relentless, propelling the GT forward with an intensity that exhilarates the senses. Cornering is a seamless dance between power and control, with the aerodynamics and suspension working in perfect harmony. The sheer presence of the GT commands attention, an embodiment of performance artistry that captivates all who witness it. Owning a Ford GT is not just about possessing a high-performance machine, it is about becoming part of an elite legacy. It represents a dedication to excellence, a passion for speed, and an appreciation for groundbreaking innovation. The exclusivity of the GT ensures that it remains a rare gem, a collector's dream, a symbol of automotive perfection. Each element of the car is a masterpiece, from the handcrafted components to the precision engineering that drives its performance. The experience of sitting behind the wheel is unlike any other, a fusion of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and the pure thrill of driving. As the showroom lights highlight its contours, the Ford GT stands as a beacon of what is possible when engineering meets artistry. It is a vehicle that transcends expectations, a marvel that continues to push the boundaries of what a supercar can achieve. The 2025 Ford GT, name on the wall, stands proudly, a declaration of innovation and excellence. This is more than a car, it is a legacy in motion, a symbol of a future where performance and luxury coexist in perfect harmony. The Ford GT is not just built for the road, it is built for history, destined to leave a mark on the automotive world for generations to come. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.